Ata Maori e wānau, whānau, hānau. Aha ko te ahano hea koe no whea koe no wea koe. A kai a koe te mana, kai a koe tō reo, no tō wāhi, no tō rohe. No reira, a mihi nui ki a koutou. Ko ta mātou nei kupu o te rā, ta mātou nei wāhi, he ako ana ai, mātou. Ko Papakura tērā. No reira, ka huri au ki te reo tuarua, ki te reo tērā atu reo. Yep, I'm going to switch back to English. Okay, so, our kupu of the day is, yes you heard right, Papakura. Papakura. Okay, so it's not Papakura, it's not Kura hard. Hey, all you Southside Kura Papakurans. Yeah, it's Papakura. Right, there's nothing hard in this particular place name. You're all just lazy. Right, so repeat after me. Pa. Pa. Ra. Pa. Pa. Ku. Ra. Alright, just keep all of your vowels short. Poto, ne? Poto. Short. So, go through that again. Pa. Pa. Ku. Ra. Alright, just remember when you're rolling your R, just remember that magic word, ta-da! When you're trying to surprise someone or you want to reveal something, you say, ta-da! And that's how you roll your R. Okay? Everything else is pretty straightforward in the kupu. Pa, pa, ku, ra. So all of your vowels in that are all short. There's no stressed vowels, there's no long vowels in it. No tohuto or no potai or no macron above each vowel. Alright, so Papakura. That is your kupu of the day. Kia ora mai tātou. Have a good day. Drive up.